Now track motion is really simple. I have a video of myself here. I'll just pull it in the timeline here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add text. So I'm going to come to T here, click on this T. I'm just going to use simple text. I'm just going to use this one here, simple text. I'm just going to drag it and drop it on top here, just like that. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to edit the text, maybe write track motion, just like that. Then the next thing I want to change the color because the background is so white, so maybe put it red so that it contrasts so well. I can also change the font. Maybe I don't like this font, I can always come here and maybe choose a bolder font, maybe like that. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just put apply. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to double click again the text. I'm going to position it somewhere, maybe just here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to, if you double click the text, it will give you this dialog box here. Then you come here called motion, then you can just track. But before that, there are two track motion. There's quick and precise, but normally I just use quick so that I go quickly. But if you want precise, you can always use that. You just click this on track. It will take just a few minutes, then it will just track. Now then I'll apply. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to play so that you see the words are following me. Let me position the words maybe here, and maybe let me just play. Now you see whenever I move, the words also moves with me. But now I want to position the words correctly, so that, let me double click on the track here. Then I'll position this one here, maybe somewhere here, a little bit here. Then also I want to extend so that it goes to the end, up to here, so that when I now let me just play from starting from here. Let me play now. Now you can see that I can easily track motion just like that. That's how to track motion. Movavi video editor is that simple and fast. Subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends. Have a nice day.